Hi amigos, welcome to my channel. If you are a first time visitor, please subscribe, like, comment and share. From this channel, you will become a zero to hero without writing code to design a website from the scratch. Hey amigos, today I am going to teach you how to use WordPress Dashboard for beginners. Before teaching you, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. So when I will update, you will be notified. I will post web templates up to 500 plus web templates in different business categories for free. And I will show you how to use it. Now coming to today's topic, if you're a new blogger or a business owner that has a new WordPress website, this video is suitable for you. I know that you're confused with the WordPress dashboard. If you haven't started your blog yet, make sure to check out my free guide on how to start a blog. And yes, the WordPress dashboard or WordPress admin panel can be a little confusing if you are seeing it for the very first time. It comes with lots of menu items, links, settings, and much more which need to control your blog or website. But the real thing is it's actually pretty easy to learn how to manage your site using the dashboard. You just need to take a little time to find out how each menu, setting, and everything works for your site. Where to start? You're not alone. In this video, I will share with you a simple and detailed guide to the WordPress admin dashboard. No more words. Let's get into WordPress. How to get to WordPress dashboard before knowing it. If you don't know about how to install XAMPP with WordPress, you will get the I pop-up button. Click on that and watch it. After that, come to this video. Once you logged into your website's WordPress dashboard, it looks like this. So, this is the place you need to build your website. And the place you got confused. This is your WordPress dashboard. You can edit what is on your dashboard by clicking on Screen Options at the top. It will help you to take easy action on your website. But some of the options above will be different if you may have the plugins installed or not. This area will provide you easy access to certain plugins of your website after you installed some of the plugins. Before taking any action here, I recommend you keep reading this post for a better understanding. Ready? Let's continue. When you clicked on the Posts tab, it will take you to another page. Simply, posts are where your blog posts will be located. You can create or edit new posts, and view categories or tags. If you want to create a new post, just click on Add New, and then it will take you to the post editor. The post editor looks like this. Moving to posts here, the post editor or blocks editor, each paragraph is a block of your post, helps you to write your own blog posts. You can add a title and write the post in the right sidebar. Helps you edit options to write your blog post. Once you are ready to publish your post, you can hit the Publish button to make it alive. You can edit your published posts anytime from the Posts tab. Coming to media, this is the place where any of your photos, videos, or other media files are located. If you're just new, your library will be empty. You can upload media files directly to the media section, or you can add media from posts and pages too. Let's click on Pages. When you click on Pages, it will take you to the section that creates pages for your sites. Pages are the main navigation points of your website. You can add content to the pages with its block editor, like as I mentioned above in the Post section. So, you can create the main menu by gathering these pages to the top of the menu, blog header, or bottom of your blog footer, to show them to your visitors. You can do it by following the appearance in WordPress. Coming to comments, people can leave comments on your blog posts. Then you will see comments here. This section includes all of the comments that have been left on your entire blog. So, you can edit, approve, or reply to your comments from here. Moving to Appearance. The appearance option is the big thing where people can start to get confused. This is the place you can use any of your themes and customize anything related to the appearance of your website or blog. When you clicked on Appearance, it will bring you another few options. So you need to figure out how these options going to affect your website appearance. Now go to Themes. Themes will include the standard WordPress theme options. Or you can click Add New to add a new theme or upload a preferred theme. In my case, I'm using the Astra WordPress theme as my website's theme. If you need to know more about Astra's theme, check out my Astra WordPress theme review. Then next, Customize. This section allows you to customize the current theme that has been activated on your WordPress website. Then next, widgets. The widgets section is where you can customize the sidebar and footer of your blog. But sometimes this can be different from the theme you're using. Then next, menus. This section allows you to create a menu for the blog header and footer gathering your pages. Then theme editor. This section is where the backend code is for your theme. It's always better if you wouldn't take any action on it if you don't have any experience with coding. I always recommend you choose a simple, clean, and lightweight theme. Now in the menu, go to plugins. Plugins can extend and add more functionality to your WordPress. There are thousands of plugins available to choose from. Simply, WordPress plugins can enhance your site's performance, features, security, and more for building a better suit for your needs and serve your visitors too. But, using a bunch of plugins may slow your blog performance. You can click Add New, and then click Install on any plugin to add it to your website. If you do not have any idea about what to use for your site, read the Best WordPress Plugins article for more advantages. Now in the main menu, coming to users, this contains the user profiles of your WordPress website. If you need to have multiple users with various permissions, you can add new users or you can edit your own profile here. Now in tools, tools contain import, export, site health, and related options to your site. As a beginner, you don't need to do any tasks here. Go to settings. From the menu, settings bring you the main setting for your website, but these settings may be different depending on the plugins that you have downloaded. However, you can see general, writing, reading, discussion, media, and permalinks if you don't have any plugin installed yet. When you clicked on settings, it will bring you to the general settings section. It will look like this. These all settings are easy to handle, and you can see each operation has a small description to show you how it works for you. So, here's a quick guide on settings. General settings allow you to edit your site title, tagline, URL, contact email address, time zone, etc. The writing section is where you can edit your default categories and blog formats. Reading allows you to manage content-related settings for your website's front page. So, you can set a static page for the front or the number of posts to be displayed on the main page, add a post summary, and discourage search engines from indexing the site. Keep this unchecked if you want to index your site to search engines like Google. Discussion is where you can edit the settings for comments. This section provides a list of settings, so please take a little time and read every setting option and check them. Media is the place you can determine the image sizes to use when adding an image to the media library. The permalinks section is the place where you can create a custom URL structure for your permalinks and archives. This really helps people find your blog posts easily. So make sure to set your permalinks to post name. Privacy is the place that allows you to select a privacy policy page for your website. There you go. WordPress is easy or not? Just take a look at your own WordPress dashboard and see what it looks like. Understanding WordPress as a beginner. I hope you enjoyed this guide, and I think you're now happy with using WordPress. WordPress makes it easy to create your own website or blog, and WordPress plugins can add additional functionalities to your site. What to do if you got a problem with your WordPress site, any plugin, or something else? First, if you had a problem with your hosting, contact your hosting provider. Otherwise, go to the WordPress support forum to find a solution. If it's a plugin, contact the plugin developer. Either you can use some WordPress tutoring sites like wpbeginner.com. Now it's your turn. Let me know your experience using WordPress in the comments below. And subscribe with the bell icon to watch continued the video. Thank you for watching our video. Like and share with your friends. For the latest updates, please subscribe to our channel.